In this video, we are going to learn about virtual environments, one of the most important habits you can build as a Python developer. When you install a package without a virtual environment, it goes into one shared location on your machine. If two projects need different versions of the same package, they will conflict with each other. Think of a virtual environment like a dedicated lunchbox. Each project packs exactly the ingredients it needs, and opening one lunchbox never touches what is inside another. The first command you need is python-mvenv.venv. This creates a hidden folder called .venv that holds a private copy of Python and a place for your packages. Before you install anything, you must activate the environment. On Mac and Linux, you run source.venv bin activate, and on Windows, you run .venv/scripts/activate. Your prompt will change to show the environment is active. Now when you run pip install, the package lands inside .venv and stays completely separate from every other project on your machine. Here is a simple Python script that prints the key facts about isolation. Each project names its environment, packages stay inside it, and the global Python installation is never touched. Without a virtual environment, every project fights over the same packages. With one, each project lives in its own bubble. Upgrades stay contained, and sharing your setup with teammates becomes straightforward. Every time you start a new Python project, create and activate a virtual environment first. It is a small habit that saves you from a huge headache down the road.